Would you rather go without human interaction for the rest of your life or be without Wi-Fi for the rest of your life?
Oh boy, that's a tough one.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back on the streets of the Netherlands and I'm about to be asking people about their business basically. Oh no, today is not really about their business. I'm going to be asking them questions related to AI and the internet basically. So come join me as we go. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. What do you do for a living?
So currently I'm a student, so at the moment I study chemistry.
Okay. Do you think AI would possibly replace your job in the future? Like, are there possibilities of it?
Depends on the sector, because I definitely see that AI can perform 3,000 times better calculations than any human, to be honest. Also depends on what type of AI, and considering how the advances are going nowadays, I do believe like monotonous job, for example, at the factories or like industry could also be replaced. For like manual labor can definitely be replaced in that regard, which currently already is happening nowadays.
What's your name?
My name is Ismail.
Okay, Ismail. Would you rather go without human interaction for the rest of your life or be without Wi-Fi for the rest of your life? Without internet for the rest of your life?
Oh boy, that's a tough one. I choose Wi-Fi.
Go without Wi-Fi?
No, I choose to have Wi-Fi.
Oh, you choose to have Wi-Fi and
'Cause then
be without human interaction?
Yeah, I can't interact via the internet when I have Wi-Fi.
Yeah, no one is going to talk to you. You can browse all you want, do all you want, but nobody's talking
Okay,
to you.
no, then I choose human interaction.
Oh, okay, but if you had the option to chat online, you would choose Wi-Fi.
Yes,
Why?
because the internet has improved so many things. Just in life and society. I don't think we can actually go without it anymore. I don't think it's possible.
Yeah, that's true. What do you do for a living?
I Uber right now. I also work with computers, so that's also a reason I would choose internet
Yeah, that's what
if
I
I
wanted
could
to
interact,
ask.
because well, it's part of my second job.
But okay, you said you do things on your computer. So do you think AI can replace your job?
I've talked to ChatGPT. I've tried to get it to code something useful. It understands me when I write code, but it's not there yet. I think it's possible in the future, though.
Yeah.
I think it's really possible.
Also, you're a programmer.
Yeah, I like to do it as a hobby. I want to make it something more serious in the future, but right now it's a hobby.
Because ChatGPT is still at its early phase and it's already doing a lot. So you can imagine how much it will do when it becomes well developed.
When it achieves something that I think we call self-awareness, then it's pretty much unstoppable, I think. Because right now it doesn't. When you have a conversation with something like ChatGPT, it isn't aware of the conversation it is having. So it's kind of like a human. It talks like a human, but you can see that the creative element of a human brain is not there, or the human soul, whatever you want to call it. It's not there. It can be creative, but it's creative in a way that. It uses all the old data. It doesn't create any new things. It doesn't discover.
So now let's go to modern dating. Are you in the dating market?
No, not right now. No, I'm single, but I'm not looking.
Okay, but what would you like to change about the dating market now, the modern dating market?
Well, I think social media is one of the worst things that could have happened to the dating market. The absolute worst thing. Because
so you wish people don't meet from the internet?
No, not like that, but people are not themselves on social media. They're not themselves, and when I have one-to-one conversations with people that I know online, they're completely different. It's like, well, when you see somebody take a selfie on the street, they're always posing and they're always taking multiple pictures to choose the right one. You know, they're presenting an image of themselves that's not true. And when I actually want to meet someone, I want to know their true self. And
But don't you think it's their true self, but it's just the best version of their true self?
yeah, maybe, but did you worry so much about what somebody thinks of your looks that you actually try to take the best picture when every single one of the picture is you, even the worst ones?
I like to see pretty things on the internet, and I feel like
true.
everyone likes to see pretty things. So I feel like
true.
that's why people want to put the best part of themselves online. You know what I mean?
That's also true, but I think there's a limit. I think that some people go overboard.
Yeah.
It was a small example, you know, but that there's a difference between somebody who just takes a selfie because they think the moment is okay, but there's also people you see they are constantly taking selfies, constantly, like and directly posting it online. Like the world needs to immediately see it, and it's like, who are you doing this for? You know, why are you trying to, I don't know, get followers? Well, what is it to you to have those things?
Influencer marketing.
That could be true.
Anyways, thank you, Ismail. I really appreciate it.